Does your car sound squeaky whenever you go over bumps? Alright, so I noticed here is a problem. Is as soon as I try to take this out, you can hear the squeaking sound, and the bushing has come apart. So that could be why. What was causing the squeak sound from a worn out shock absorber. So I'll replace the shock absorber and see how it sounds afterwards.
Automotive for beginners.
Alright, so new shock is in. Let's try it. It's time to test it out, see how well the repair is. Oh yeah, you can still hear it a bit. Didn't really fix it completely. Yeah, you can still hear the squeaky sound. So that makes me think that it could be something else, maybe the trailing arm or a control arm back there, since I heard those tend to seize up. But at least I know that the shock was wearing out pretty bad. The bushing was loose, so it was a good call to replace the shock at least. And there's only a few other things back there that needs to be looked at, so that narrows down the parts I need to replace. So that'll be for another time. But at least if you run into the same problem with your shocks, you'll know what to do. So I hope this video helped.